you guys, it's me NeeCJae. Today I want to come to you with beginner's makeup kit, and these are all drugstore products. If you are interested in seeing this video, then keep on watching. I receive a lot of questions on what products do I need to begin my makeup kit, or just a beginner's kit. What products are the best to use when trying to build you a makeup kit, especially if you are a beginner. So I have 7 products that I believe are great products, affordable drugstore products to help build your makeup collection, okay, especially if you're just starting. We're going to talk about the makeup first, okay, the makeup products, and then we're going to jump into the video, and I'm going to demonstrate each product and show you how I created this simple basic look with 7 drugstore products, and they are very affordable. I will have everything that we talk about in the description box below, but we're going to go ahead and jump right into the product. You have thinning eyebrows, or you just want to fill them in a little bit. I have a makeup pencil, an eyebrow pencil, and this is by Revlon, and it's called Brow Fantasy. Okay, I think this pencil is like $8, $5 to $8, I'll say right here. And it also has a brow gel, and it is in a brown. I always use brown brow pencils, never black. Black on your face just makes you appear harsh, in my opinion, okay? This is one of the first items, okay? Number 1 item is foundation. I picked a foundation that has variety of shades. That's very important. You want to have a foundation that have a huge selection. And this one by Maybelline Fit Me. I am in the shade 315. They have a variety of shades, okay? And they also have this in a matte if you have oily skin. Another foundation that I think is really great, they have lots of shades, a variety of shades, and it is L'Oreal Paris, okay? Right now I am in the shade 6.5. I'm just giving you options and just showing you some products that I believe that you need. Now, you either want this one or this one, okay? This is a great one to start off with as well. I'm going to use this one for today, but I want to give you an option. Both of these foundations cost like maybe between $8 to $10. Makeup really meant to perfect the skin, to make your skin look flawless and natural. That's the look that we're going for. We're not packing it on. We just want something to really even out the skin tone. Okay, so that's why I'm going to use the Fit Me. And if you choose, if you find a better shade that's in the L'Oreal, I just want to give you an option. Now the next item we're going to talk about is a concealer. You want a good affordable concealer to start off with, and e.l.f. products are very affordable. I think this is like $2 or $3, and I am in the shade, let's see, medium beige. Concealers brighten it. If you have dark circles or unevenness around the eye area, it helps to brighten that area to make it more of a brighter, even look, okay? And you do not need to use a lot. You just need a little bit to kind of brighten that eye area, especially if you have dark circles or any kind of pigmentation, you know, right in this area. This is what we're going to use today, okay? By e.l.f. $2 or $3. Wonderful product. I love e.l.f. products. So we have 3 products already. So the next product, setting powder. Now setting powder, if you have dry, mature skin like me, a lot of times you kind of stay away from setting powders. If you have oily, normal to oily skin, you want a setting powder to set your final look, your makeup. Setting your makeup, especially on these hot summer days, or you know, if you sweat, your makeup will not run everywhere. That's the purpose of a setting powder. I'm using the one by Maybelline Fit Me, and it's number 25, medium. I also use medium deep sometimes, and that's number 30, but today we're going to use medium, okay? It's a loose powder. It's a loose powder. Let me just show you. So that's the 4th product, okay? So the 5th product is a contouring palette, and this is by Black Radiance, and this is a true complexion contour palette. I have light to medium. They have light to medium, medium to deep, and then just deep. And here's the thing, if you're new, you can look on here and it tells you about the products and how to use it. What I like about this, it is like 3 products in one. You can use this A lot of times the deeper one that I had, I don't know what happened to it. You can use it as an eyebrow if you want to fill in the eyebrows also. You can use this one to contour what we did, okay, and sculpt, and a highlighter. All in one. That's what I really like about this. If this one doesn't work for you, I found a really nice one, Rimmel London. I like this brand, and it also has a blush, contour, and highlight as well. See, and this can go for multiple things. You can use this as eyeshadow. You can use this as brow to fill in, and you have a blush and a highlighter. See, I like products like this that has 3 products in one, okay? Great, affordable. That's what I like. But we're going to use this one today, and I'm going to show you a couple of different ways just to use this one palette on your face for everything. As an eyeshadow, almost a blush, and everything with this one palette, okay? That is what I like about palettes like this. It's multifunctional, and I like that. So that's 5 products already. So we have 2 more to go. Now, this mascara is one of my favorite mascaras. It is like $6, I believe. Yeah, $5 to $6. And it is by Maybelline, the Colossal Big Shot. Very affordable. I really like this mascara a lot. Last but not least, a setting spray. Once you have completed your look, you want to go in with a setting spray just to dissolve some of the powder that you may have applied on your face. It just makes everything set beautifully. This is what I like by Milani. Now, this is make it dewy because I have dry skin. If you have oily skin, then you can use this one. It's Make It Last, and it is for matte. It says Make It Last setting spray, prime and set, and this is for oily skin. So we have 2 settings, one for dry and one for oily. I have you covered if you have oily skin. So with these 7 products, I'm going to show you step by step, simple, easy, basic makeup look. Okay, so I'm starting off with clean, moisturized, hydrated skin, and I also have a sunscreen on as well. I always start off with skincare, very, very important. Now, I like to start with my eyebrows. Well, I usually apply my foundation first and then my eyebrows, but for this purpose only, I'm going to start off with the eyebrows, okay? And you start with little thin strokes. Now, this is more of a lighter reddish brown. If you want your eyebrows a little darker, just go with a dark brown, okay? I'm telling you, it looks really natural. It looks so much better than black eyeliner, okay? Really, I'm telling you, just go in with a dark brown. And I like to go with light strokes and really try to perfect that eyebrow. Now, I always say this, your eyebrows are sisters, they are not twins, okay? So they will never look exactly alike. Do the best you can. Now I'm taking that concealer by e.l.f. and I'm going to go along the line and just kind of clean it up some. Now I like to do it a different way. I really like to do it faster than this. I have another technique in the way that I do it, but for this purpose, only for beginners, we're going to use this concealer, okay, and just kind of outline your eyebrow. This makes your eyebrow look like you have a fresh wax eyebrow, a freshly waxed eyebrow. That's the look that we're going for, okay? And I'm using this little precise brush, but once I outline it, I really like to take my hand and just clean it up. I think it looks natural when you just clean it up with your hand. To me, in my opinion, it really makes it natural looking. Now we're going to go in with the Fit Me foundation, and I just like to tap it onto my skin and to the areas I want to apply it, and then using my makeup brush, I like to kind of stubble it in, really making sure we just blend everything, making your skin look flawless. That is the purpose. We want to look natural and flawless. I like to take it and go over my eyelids, but never all the way up under your eye. Now I'm taking my beauty sponge, a damp beauty sponge, and just blending it out a little bit to look flawless. Now right here you can stop. If this is it, if this is all you want to do, stop right here. We only use 3 products. Now, I'm going to take it a little further for those that want a little more beat to your face, okay? Using the concealer that we spoke of, the e.l.f. concealer, we're just going to tap a little bit under the eye area and on the lid. Now, what this does is really, it makes your appearance look a little natural. It brightens the under eye, and also it hides any darkness, any redness, any darkness that you have under your eye, okay? Sometimes you have a little dark circles, I know I do, and you want to conceal that. Now I'm taking my setting spray from Milani and applying it under my eye. This helps really set your eyes flawlessly. I'm using this powder once it dries and to set, and I'm telling you, it minimum creasing you will have. I have a video that I talk about how I do this, and I will link that up here. And now we're going in with that contouring palette that we talked about, okay? I'm starting off with more of that deeper brown shade, okay? And what this does, I'm using this as an eyeshadow, and basically it's just going to make your eyelids, bring the color back to your eyelids. It makes it sometimes makeup leaves your skin looking flush, so you want to bring some color, added color back to your complexion. That is what we're doing. So we're going to take that and use it as a eyeshadow and just blend this onto your eyes. It makes a big difference, okay? We don't have to use eyeshadow. We can use this bronzer contouring powder for this, okay? And we want to take that up under the eye area as well. This gives the illusion of eyeliner without using eyeliner. And I wanted to switch to a more precise brush, a little smaller brush, to really get in there and smoke it out a little bit, okay? Now we're going in with the sculpting powder. And now we're going to bring some color back to our cheeks. Like I said, foundation makeup will wash you out. So you want to bring some color back to your complexion on those shadow areas, on your cheeks, on the forehead, around the jawline. We really want to blend this into your skin, kind of blend it, and it kind of sculpts your face as well, okay? And it's highlighting your cheekbones. And also we can go ahead and correct your nose. This is a instant fix for your nose. If you want to kind of sculpt it to make it more precise, you can do that. I always like to do it. It just narrows it out a little bit. Why not, right? And really making sure this is blended in. You really want to make sure your face looks sculpted without showing that you're sculpting it, okay? Now we're going in with the highlighter. And we want to hit, highlighter is used just for, when light reflects onto your area. So you want to do it on your cheeks, around the temple area, or on the bridge of your nose, your cupid bow, anywhere where light will hit you, okay? Now we're going to use that mascara that we talked about. And I like to use maybe 2 or 3 coats of mascara. I do not wear false lashes all the time, so I love affordable mascara, especially good ones. Now, I didn't show you this, but I always get questions on what I have on my lips, so I'm going to show you. I'm using this NYX lip gloss, very natural. There's really no color, just for moisturizing, okay, my lips. Now I'm taking that powder and going back in and set everything that we talked about earlier. We want to set the entire face to make sure nothing will not move. Now we're going in with the setting spray, the dewy setting spray, and we're going to spray and set everything. So yeah, this is it right here. This is the look.
So that is all I have for you today. I hope this video was helpful, especially when you are really trying to create a makeup kit and you want to start simple and then build onto it. Once you have that first initial kit and you can put that together, and the more you practice, the better you get. You can start adding more products to your collection. So I hope this video was helpful. Please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel on the way out. if you haven't done so already. And thank you so very much for just taking time out to watch my videos. I greatly, greatly appreciate it. Peace and love until next time. Bye.